This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Tuesday, the 7th of May. I'm Michael McGrath. Hey, we've got a few showers around the valley this morning, just some isolated, very light rain showers. Probably not going to see any measurable rain out of it, but it's just a sign of things to come as below average temperatures will continue for the rest of the week. And yes, maybe another chance of measurable rain in here by the end of the week and into the weekend. Let's talk about it. First, we'll take a look at the almanac from yesterday. 86 degrees for the high in the valley, 67 the low, and that's just a little bit below where we should be, at least on that high temperature. The normal high now up to 92 degrees. Outside right now here at 8 a.m. or just after 8 a.m. Got mostly cloudy skies out there. A few light showers coming down at this time, and 63 degrees presently at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 50, humidity 63%, the wind from the north-northwest at 15, and the barometer is rising. Temperatures around the area mostly in the 60s. The satellite picture across the southwest reveals an area of clouds here across central and western Arizona in association with an upper low that'll be moving through the area today. The cold core of that system still just to our west, and on the eastern periphery of that's where we have these showers developing. We even had a few lightning strikes across Southern California and western Arizona this morning. So yes, a couple of isolated thunderstorms have been out there. The watch warning map is relatively quiet here for the first week of May, but we do have some flash flood watches over parts of the Arklatex region and sections of Kansas and Missouri. Some red flag warnings over parts of New Mexico. Here in Arizona, no advisories to speak of at this time. And severe weather outlook. Things are going to get pretty active today. We've got a moderate risk. That's level 4 out of 5 for parts of Texas and Oklahoma around Amarillo. The enhanced risk includes places like Odessa, Midland, Lubbock, and Enid, Oklahoma. The broader marginal risk extends from the Texas Gulf Coast all the way up to St. Louis. And here in parts of Arizona, we're in the green. So yes, there might be an isolated thunderstorm, certainly something to watch out for, especially over the northern half of the state. But here in the valley, I would sincerely doubt it. Precipitation outlook valid through next Tuesday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts here in the valley generally less than 1/10 of an inch, but could see totals in excess of an inch, maybe even close to 2 inches in parts of northern Arizona over the next 7 days. And we'll detail that now for you as we take a look at the models and see what the future might hold. Here we go to the GFS. This is the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. This is the upper look at about 500 millibars or 18,000 feet in the atmosphere. Couple of things of note here. First of all, there's our upper low kind of opening up into a wave as it moves across the state today. We've got a Rex block pattern over the eastern Pacific, low trapped underneath a broad ridge. And so that blocking pattern, the ultimate evolution of that, still some question marks as to how that plays out, but that could get very interesting by this weekend and into next week, as we'll show you. Down at the surface today, we'll have mostly cloudy skies this morning and an isolated shower can't be ruled out. But even if you get under one of those, chances of any measurable rain are very small. Still, we'll keep that around through the mid to late morning hours. Then we'll become mostly sunny by this afternoon. It'll be cooler too and breezy to locally windy at times. Highs in the upper 70s and low 80s. Beautiful day. Tonight, mostly clear skies. Lows in the mid 50s to low 60s. Tomorrow, we'll see a few high clouds. Otherwise, mostly sunny with highs getting back into the low and middle 80s. Chance of showers and isolated thunderstorms for northern Arizona, and that'll continue for the rest of the week as troughing persists. On Thursday, we'll see shortwave energy riding down the front side of this eastern Pacific ridge. And so we'll start the day out mostly sunny. We'll turn partly cloudy by the afternoon. And high temperatures should be in the mid and upper 80s. Some of the guidance suggests we'll get close to 90 on Thursday. That should be the warmest day of the forecast period. Then as we get to Friday, the blocking pattern begins to evolve just a bit. We've got this area of low pressure now beginning to set up shop over the greater southwest. Better moisture advection in place. The day on Friday looks cloudy for us. Widely scattered showers and thunderstorms possible over northern Arizona. But here in the valley, probably going to stay dry for at least most of the day, but by Friday afternoon and Friday night, we'll introduce a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms. It will be breezy and cooler. Highs upper 70s to about 80. Saturday, that low lingers. In fact, it'll linger all weekend. And if this verifies, we would have at least a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms both Saturday and Sunday. High temperatures probably staying in the mid to upper 70s both days. So we could be anywhere from 13 to 16 degrees below our climatological averages. Now, on Monday, that low begins to move on out of here, so the skies will become partly sunny. High temperatures will rebound just a little bit back into the low and middle 80s. Here we go out to a week from today. This is Tuesday, the 14th. One thing you're noticing here, no broad ridging across the southwest, so temperatures are going to remain below average through at least the first half of next week. And actually, going out 10 days, this is the end of the period, Thursday the 16th, and that is a mighty impressive upper low here over the southwestern states, especially for this time of year. Those upper heights in the 550 decameter range, goodness. If that verifies, and the GFS has been very insistent on this idea, if this is correct, we'd have more unsettled conditions. Showers and thunderstorms might be possible again, and temperatures remaining well below average. So that's very good news. All right, let's check out the temperatures through the period coming off of the GFS Ensemble. Highs, well, you see by the weekend, we are below average. The normal high by Saturday and Sunday is around 93, 94 degrees. So we'll be around 12 to 15 degrees below average. So that's good. And I'm not sure when we'll see a recovery in temperatures. The Ensemble says by next week, but the deterministic runs say not so much. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Your comments, questions, and suggestions are always encouraged as well. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it. Be safe out there and have a fantastic Tuesday.